Hello and welcome to this video. You have reached the end of this introduction series. I hope you're just as excited as we are to get started in our community and learn how to trade better, make more profitable trades and change your life for the better. You have now gotten the basic knowledge to get you started and navigate your way through our large library of educational content. We are very excited indeed to welcome you into our Discord community and to help you shape up into the trader that you want to become. Now that you're ready to dive into all the content we have to offer you, our recommended way is to start off by watching the contender streams at first. The contender streams will help you familiarize yourself with the underlying theory and concepts that is needed to fully understand what we are talking and posting about in the Discord chat rooms. Once you've worked your way through the contender series and have fully understood its contents, it's time to start working on the champion streams. The champion streams are oriented towards the practical side of trading, and in order to fully understand those content, it's necessary to have a deep understanding of the content that has been covered in the contender streams. In order to have the best learning experience, we strongly advise to work your way through the content at your own pace, take the time to watch the streams, make notes and even rewatch parts if it's not clear right away. Remember that, as with learning anything new, it takes time to absorb everything, and it takes even more time to ultimately convert that knowledge gained into your own trading style and become successful in that which you are trying to master. To emphasize on this, I would like to mention this quote. Knowledge arises from experience. Just as a musician practices diligently to become a concert pianist and an athlete spends uncounted hours on the court to become a great tennis player, a trader must gain experience through actual trading to become an expert trader. Any effective performance is a combination of knowledge, skill, and instinct. With each trade, you put your knowledge, your understanding, and your experience on the line to be judged by the market. Clearly, it is necessary to take a lot of trades to learn. Experience provides the confidence to overcome such barriers as fear, hesitancy, and inflexibility. This quote exemplifies why it will take time to become good. You need the experience trading. You have to go through the process of winning and losing. The only way to learn that is through time and experience. The way you learn is heavily dependent on the expectations that you have or may set for yourself. Trading can be very profitable if you are consistently making profits. But if you are just starting out, it is extremely important to be realistic in the expectations you set for yourself. Do keep in mind that 95% of traders lose money in the market, so it's a little bit unrealistic to expect from yourself to become a profitable and consistent trader within a month or so. Trading is a long process, and only with time and experience you can become a master. So do not expect to win every single trade. Trading is a game of probabilities, and you will make losing trades, as such is the nature of trading. Having that said, if you do study and learn to understand the game by studying our material, your learning process will be sped up by quite a bit. Ultimately, our goal is to teach you how to recognize the best trades that give you the highest amount of probabilities, so that you can become a consistent and profitable trader. That concludes this introduction series to chart champions, and we are looking forward seeing you crush the charts in our wonderful trading community. Thank you, happy learning, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!